Hey there, just wanted to share my review on this mason jar sealer. So for starters, you have a power button here, which that's what it sounds like when it's actually vacuum sealing. It also tells you what the percentage is at as far as, do you need to charge it? So it does have a charger port on it right here on the top. You've got your regular mouth, and then you just untwist this and you'll actually see a lock unlock button. Untwist this, and then you can use your wide mouth. So as you can see by all the jars behind me, I use these little vacuum sealers quite a bit for doing like my nuts and pretzels things. I also do a lot of freeze drying, so I'll go ahead and seal those freeze dried jars. I do herbs, fruits and vegetables, all kinds of things. And so these are definitely really handy. They make a great gift. Now I'll give you a demonstration of how it works. So here I have some dill seeds that I actually harvested from my dill this year, and I'm just going to use a regular lid. Now this set does come with some lids, but you can certainly use canning lids as well. So you're going to push that on all the way down, and then you're going to turn on the power button and wait till it gets to 40 seconds. And you can kind of hear how it's sucking down to the jar. And then you just go ahead and turn it off, and you can hear it release, and then you just wiggle it off, and then there you go. And then you can just put your ring on if you want to on top, just to make sure it stays down. Otherwise, there you go.